All right, Colorado Yak Pack. Another day, another fish. We're out again. More ice fishing, because you just gotta love that. We just love that ice fishing, because 'tis the season, right? Out here trying to get some fish. I'm back with the other James, because you know, us Jameses, we love that ice fishing. Out here next to the Beaver Dam, actually the Beaver home. So, hoping you guys are excited. Gonna get you another episode. Took a little week off, and to start the day, fish on, fish on. Fish. No, I just pulled this out too, guys, so don't worry. Just pulled him out. Yak, 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 yak. That's right. That's how we start the day. Been out here 20 minutes. Woo.
I'd say like 10 minutes.
10 minutes. There's the other James again. We're here to put it down.
Yo, yak, 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 yak.
It's time to get it done. We're going for volume. As many fish as we could possibly catch. Stay tuned. It's going down. Fish on. Jaw jacker. Pull up. With the double up. Alright, Colorado Yak Pack. Little perchy. My first one ever. Alright, he's still alive. He's a little damaged. But we're gonna hook him up. Another trout down. Double up. Yak, yak, yak. Yak. Strong release, baby. First trout of the day. I know, I didn't get a good film on it. There's trout down there. Confirmed. Come on. Fish on. Fish on. It's okay, buddy. Perfect hook, too. That's what I like to see. Right there in the lip, upper lip. Perfect. Colorado Yak Pack. Yak, 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 yak. Yak, 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 yak. Let's let him go. Have a good day, buddy. Heck yeah, dude. Fish on. Fish on.
Going for the record today, boys.
What am I at here? Oh, dude, my minnow. Check it out. My minnow. Retrieve. Oh my god, I'm gonna reuse that. Sweet, dude. It's still alive. That is the best thing, dude. He knew he came home, bro. Oh, dude, my favorite kind of fish pack. My favorite kind. The kind that releases himself from the hook. That's another one. That's like number 7 for me. Trout skis. Does me catching the minnow count? I know this isn't the necessary way you're supposed to do this, but here's what's going on. I got my Wonder Bread
Wonderful
jig, and we're using minnows because we can use minnows in these waters. And literally, I just dropped this thing down, and it is killing it. Heck yeah, pack. Stay tuned for more. Minnows are tricky. Come on. Bite it. Fish on. That's what's up. He's a little guy. Lots of little guys. I am the king of little guys, though. He's my favorite. He took himself off again. Dude, that's 2 in a row. Get over here.
Easy fishing.
Easy fishing. All right, Colorado Yak Pack. Another one down. Let's get him out. Oh, yeah. Fish on. Fish on. Oh, what was that?
I mean, what was that?
I think that was a trout. Well, I botched that. I botched that. All I'm gonna do is stop botching that.
Need a tank?
No.
You're getting away from the hole. You're gonna flop up in there.
The first perch baby ever. Here, film that for me. It's already recording. All right, check it out. Even let himself off. Ooh, he's sandy, bro.
Yeah, they chill at the bottom.
Look at that guy. Little perchy. My first one ever, Yak Pack. Yak, yak, yak. I wish you could have got me catching that guy. Oh, man, I want to eat him. And he's gone.
And he's gone. What do you
Perch,
say?
baby. Yeah. All right, Colorado Yak Pack. I got my first ever perch. We got it in about 5 feet of water. See that? 5 feet of water. And I did it on a dead minnow. With a dead minnow with Wonder Bread jig. Small one. So, we're on the fish. It's 4 for me today. I'm going to get better recording going on. We've just been having some camera difficulties. So, bear with it. And, excited. Let's get some more of these perchies. We're still looking for that pike, too. Yak, yak, yak. Fish on! Jaw jacker.
Oh, Jackie.
Heck yeah.
He was like barely hooked, dude.
And he's gone. Yak, yak, yak. Got the treble hook. Oh, we got a single hook.
I'm doing a single now.
Live minnow.
Look at him flapping.
All right.
Fish, fish.
We got another fish. Get over here.
Fish, 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 fish.
Promise this is only going to take 2 seconds. Oh. Oh. All right, Colorado Yak Pack. Another trout down. Good, strong swim away. God. I like when their lips just barely hooking the lip.
Down.
Fish on.
Got splashed in the face with cold water.
Oh, he's splashing me too.
Baby,
Oh no, my minnow.
get the bin.
Yeah.
Save the bin.
Another fish down, Yak Pack, and my other rod's getting schwacked. Just let that one go. Fish on. Almost like a double. That's a better one. Oh, and he let himself go. My favorite. Look at that. Check that guy out. Another trout down. Okay. Dude, mad energy on these guys right now. Alright, Colorado Yak Pack, little recap. We are 2 hours in, 6, 7, 8, 3 hours in, 2.5. And we lost the count. But we are slaying it. I'm well over 10 fish, 1 perch. The pike elude us. The catfish elude us. The trout love us. We're running out of minnows fast. We're down to 3.
Down to the last min.
We got plenty of worms. They're hammering everything we got. There's James. He's here. We're ready to keep going. We're going to save those last 3 minnows for a bit. Hopefully these trout will go away.
They're smacking the dead ones too, so it's like...
They are smacking. We got a little pile of dead ones because we're been hurt, you know, collecting that too. So, sun's all the way up, and we're gonna keep on keeping on. Catch as many more of these fish as possible. Yeah.
Another min?
The men.
Yeah, the min game is strong right now.
The men game is strong. Oh, yes, you freed yourself, my dog. Alright. Another fish on. Let's get him out of here. He's feisty. There we go. That was good. Oh, my other one's getting hit. Oh, well, my other one's getting smacked again.
Quit yanking them out their mouths, James.
This is sad, y'all.
Look how much it took to.
God dang it. I think I'm fired. I gotta go home now. That was just a pathetic. That was pretty sucky. That should have easily just been 2 fish. Hammered that. Dude, that little guy hammered the crap out of that. I can't even believe it. I thought it was going to be a huge fish the way he bent that. Come here. And you spit it out again. Oh, you guys are just so awesome today. God. Fish on again. Doubled up. Doubled up, Colorado Yak Pack. Doubled up. Let me see if your rod's... Oh, your rod's gone. I was going to triple. Another fish. Okay, we got another fish. Look at you. Another one down, y'all. Come on. Oh, good. Garmin Striker 4. Most affordable deal on the market. Good bang for your buck. Highly recommended. It is $9.58. $9.58. $9.58 pack. And I am absolutely have slayed the most fish I have ever caught in this short amount of time in my life. For all you out there who don't know, I've only been fishing for like 7 months now. Maybe about 8. Something like that. Getting it done. Just can't get the one we want. We're not getting the one we want. We got closer.
Someone said, you want to catch pike? Throw some live minnows in there. And then the trout are just slaying on our minnows. We're just feeding the trout these minnows.
We're down to 1 minnow.
We got 1 min. He's all alone. He's solo minnow. That's it. That's the last one.
That's all we got.
We're waiting.
Double up. Oh, mine came off.
Yeah, double up.
Yak, yak, yak. Oh no, look, mine came off. Double up.
Double up.
Double up.
Double up.
Yak, yak, yak.
Blap, blap, blap.
Let's get rid of mine. Good. Swam off strong, my favorite. Fish on. Come on. I promise to let you go. Another little dink. Getting some good colors though today. Another fish on the jacker.
First trout of the day.
Huh?
First trout of the day.
Yeah, right. Second best. I've already babbed the best. I'm just measurements or it didn't happen. Another fish for the creek. And he needs pliers once again.
I'm glad I'm using a single hook on this shit.
Yeah. Okay, maybe that is the biggest one. Maybe I give you that. Fishy, fishy. Fish on. I'm a fish killer. Not a fish killer. I am just catching them. Metaphorically speaking. I don't kill fish. If I can avoid it. Which I'm pretty good about. Especially with hook sets just like that. If this guy would chill out. See? Those are pretty colors. Another one on Colorado Yak Pack. Yak, 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 yak. Strong release, baby. Yeah. I'm just slaying them today. Woo. Wonder Bread. Wonder Bread. Little diamond in the front. Look, even chipped off the bottom of it. Look at that. Poor painting. We are doing this pretty much dead sticking right now. The deader, the better. Actually, I did it. I was doing jigging earlier and I got a couple, but it's just a little wax worm. I like to wacky rig mine. Fish on. Heck yeah. You guys saw that work. Ow, I just stabbed myself. Fish on. Oh yeah, fish on. That's what I do. I catch fish. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Heck yeah, Colorado yak pack. Another one down. Yak, yak, yak. Good release. I'm just hammering him today, James. Woo! Horrible recording. Fish on! But that's a good size, so we got to get her on. Good size for this lake. Just put that down with that coconut crab from 13 Fishing. Told you, man, them plastics, bro. Okay. I don't want to kill you. All right. Just be. I'm a fish whisperer. Come on. All right, Colorado yak pack. Fish on. Fish number, I don't know, 20 or something. Whoop.
20 something.
Shit, I am slaying it. I was like, I heard like something metal. It was the rod holder. Okay, another fish on. Yep, he's gone. Whew, yak, yak, yak. Yak, yak, yak. Fish on again. I know I didn't get the freaking right filming time, but guess what? I just pulled this guy out with the hand. Get the good hook set on him. Right there in the lip. Yak, 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 yak. And he's off. Right here, checking out coconut crab. This thing's killing it.
Holy shit, holy shit.
Reel him.
No, he's grinding on the bottom of the ice. It's a pike. Oh no! No!
Was it a pike? Was it a pike? You saw him though with your eyes?
That was a fucking pike.
She gone. Peak gone.
Keep going. That was.
Hey.
Trout of the day, boy!
Yeah, that one's a good one. Troutski. Dead stick, huh?
Dead sticked with
The gold?
Yeah, it was just gold with the gold worm. Fishy fish.
One more fishy.
Wonder bread.
One more fishy before we go.
Literally packing up. Wonder bread.
Oh my god, I'm getting bit. Doubled up. Hand got this one. We are doubled up, pack. That is how we roll.
He said, I want one.
Look at this, a good looking one. I just handed that one too. Okay, that's 2 hand ones in a row. I'm all handsy with it. But mine's bit right in the top. All right. Another one before I go. Oh, that was good. Look at that power. Powerful release. Creek's still struggle busting. He might have to eat that one. Yak, 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 yak. Hey, Colorado Yak Pack. We are done. Finito. Fin. Another day, another fish. Tons of trout caught. One perch. First perch ever, so that's pretty exciting. We got into one pike, got away from us. It was a jaw jacker catch, real close. So, good times. We're getting closer. The Jameses and I told you we'll never give up. We may be defeated, but we'll keep coming until we catch them. We are heading home. Another venture down. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Yak, 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 yak. Maybe Wonder Bread is what we need again. Wonder Bar.